Welcome to San Francisco. We just made it. The traffic is terrible because there's some kind of parade going on today. Didn't quite make it to our destination of our hotel, so we got our bags.
And we got
here.
Subway!
And we're gonna stop at Subway. So we've got a day here in San Francisco. We're gonna go around and be like tourists, show you guys around, and then we are off tomorrow night. Look at that building. That's cool, right? That's cool. This is fancy. Made it to our fancy hotel. I've never been here before. Le Méridien, I think it's called. Pretty good looking, right, Lincoln?
Yeah.
Look at that ceiling. Okay, we were room 714. Okay, Lincoln, are you ready to give everybody a room tour of your hotel room?
Oh, wow. This is big. I thought it was going to be tiny. Wow.
Whoa! We each have a bed? You don't have to kick me all night.
Lights, beds, TV, water, view.
How's the view? That's a nice TV. Whoa. Oh, this way, this way.
This way.
This way, this way, this way.
This way.
Nope, not that way.
This way.
Oh, it has a door. Dude, the door is actually open.
No, it's not.
Oh, they open that much. Oh, that's as far as they open right there. How are we supposed to fly our drone out of that? Look at that. This is like a corner suite. Look how big this is.
The real question is this hotel far enough from the gym?
What gym? I don't see you working out at the gym.
No, it's a different gym.
The Pokemon gym?
Yeah.
Okay, view of a bridge. That's a bridge. That is the metal bridge of San Francisco. I don't know. I don't know the name. View of a building and a tree. Great view.
Not the best door.
Not the best doors. Out of 10, how do you like this hotel?
It's probably like 9.
Woo! Le Méridien gets a 9 out of 10 from Lincoln. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, buddy. I'm gonna go get you a dessert, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put this. Put that there while I'm gone. Seems like a good sign to put out. Today is the day. We did not film anything else last night. We basically just ate ice cream and then went to bed. What are you looking at, bud?
1988.
1988 bronze
Cool.
pole that goes way up there. Whoa, it goes so high. That's cool. And then these rocks are so smooth. That's cool. So now we are heading out. We're gonna go get some stuff. Then we're gonna go to a few meetings in San Francisco. So we'll see what the vlog looks like today, but we're in San Fran. We might as well take you guys along.
Sounds good.
Look at that thing. What is that, Lincoln?
I don't know.
And then we've got Motorcycle Row right here. What's your thoughts? San Francisco, 5 minutes in.
Lots of big buildings.
All right, so we're cruising through Chinatown right now. We think we're gonna go to Lucasfilms, where they make Star Wars and all those different things. There is a giant statue of Yoda in the water fountain. And then you can go inside and see Darth Vader and stuff. I went there once before and filmed some of it and showed it to him, but we gotta go look because we don't have a meeting until like 2 hours from now. It's gonna be a pretty cool meeting over at Google headquarters. They have a slide that Lincoln really wants to go down.
That's the whole reason why I want to go there.
Okay, buddy, this is it. This is Lucasfilms. This whole campus, everything around here. Up in the mountains. Not in the mountains, it feels like the mountains, like in the hills. Whoa, a giant acorn just fell.
Where? Did it fall? Pine cone.
Just fell out of that tree. Hey, what do you got on your shirt?
Pineapples.
We just bought this shirt at Old Navy, check it out. I got this one with the whatever business looking thing. Looks more professional for our meetings. Only the true Jedis can find this place. Rogue One. That's cool, right? All these little guys, like a little lightsaber guy. Yoda's lightsaber. That's Yoda's lightsaber. Whoa, Darth Vader. Okay, well that's cool. Goodbye, Darth Vader. Don't push him, don't touch him. Lincoln, what'd you think of that place?
Makes me want to get Battlefront.
We should get it sometime. I think we should get it sometime.
Yes.
At the end, she told us not to film, so I didn't film anything else after that, but it was really cool. They had like a Lucasfilm sign. All right, when you're in San Francisco, you gotta go to one place that we've never been before. It's called San Bruno, and is the home of YouTube. There's one thing that we need to do here. What is it?
Go down the red slide.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah, that was awesome.
All right, mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished. I jammed my back on that.
It's that pineapple shirt.
I
Just
know.
as sticky. Was that everything you dreamed of?
Yes, it was
Mission-
amazing.
Mission accomplished. Select your experience, Lincoln. River kayaking? Okay, go.
Press it. Ready, like turn.
Lincoln, if you get too scared, just push that red button. Okay, that's it, huh?
Dump that.
You can dunk this?
I can dump that.
Let's do it.
Oh
He's a lefty. You did it! This is the Warriors room. Steph Curry signed jersey. Is that signed?
Yeah.
Nice. All kinds of treats, a cupboard full of snacks, healthy snacks. These guys everywhere. I got a bunch of those banana chips. I like this place. We've probably seen 6 of them. They're just like this. They're all over Google headquarters campus. This one's the coolest because it's the Warriors. We made it to YouTube headquarters. We're in the lobby. This is the only place we can film. The rest of it is top secret stuff. But check this out. This is a claw machine, a YouTube claw machine. There's YouTube water bottles. We have 3 coins. Lincoln, you have 3 chances to get a water bottle. I don't know if I should let you do it or if I should do it myself.
no, give me it.
Can he do it? Wow. Have you ever done a claw machine in your life?
Then drop it.
Oh, that looks good. Oh, that looks good.
What?
Ah!
What? It's perfect.
Nice try, Lincoln. 3rd time is not a charm. Aren't you gonna move that over?
Too heavy.
Look at this. We've got fire. We've got a virtual
This
fire.
one, I touched this one.
What?
That's
Oh,
I
no.
missed.
Oh no,
I'd put the fire out.
it's actually warm in there. Oh no, no, that's enough. That's enough, you're freezing it. No. All right, we're gonna do a little speaking for a bit, and then, yeah, we'll give you an update in a second. We just finished. How'd it go?
Good.
You got them laughing, man. The pineapple shirt, they loved that.
Pen, pineapple, apple, pen.
When we left that room, they had a photo booth. Lincoln got some photos. What? No. Nice work, Lincoln.
One.